Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this video tutorial, I will discuss on how to solve your programming problem. Well, software engineering and making programs is a complex process. It requires a lot of logical thinking and analytical skills in order to solve a particular problem. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much for my new subscribers on my channel, and viewers. Thank you very much for your support. Please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials and discussions. So, how we solve programming problems? Number 1, study and do some research. At present time, with the evolution of technology, particularly with computer technology, internet, and programming languages, there are so many resources from a book, ebooks, internet. So if you have a problem in programming, number 1, you do your assignment first. You study very well the nature of the problem, what are the probable solutions to the problem, and then do some research on how to solve that particular problem. There are so many excellent books on computer programming. Let's say, for example, your problem is how to create a simple mailing list application in PHP and MySQL. So what you can do, you can start writing a basic CRUD application. CRUD means create, retrieve, update, and delete function. And then from there on, you can expand your program to become a mailing list which contains the home address, telephone numbers, emails, websites, mobile number of the user or the customers. Number 2 tip, search the solution to the internet. As we all know, as a programmer, we cannot remember everything that we have learned in our brain. So the most practical way is to use Google or the internet to search for a particular solution to the problem. There are so many websites that offers free tutorials on a particular language, programming source codes that may solve your particular problem. Let's say, for example, you want to create a payroll system using Visual Basic.net and the backend is MySQL server. So there are already some similar systems that you can copy or you can study, and then it will give you an idea on how you can able to accomplish your programming project, a payroll system that is written in VB.net, Visual Basic.net, and MySQL server. That's number 2. Do some research over the internet. Let us proceed, guys, with number 3 tip. Ask fellow programmers. If you have some friends who are also a programmer or software developers or software engineers or a friend or classmates, don't hesitate or be shy or intimidated to ask from help from them. Maybe they can give you some idea on how to solve your programming problems. As long that you open for learning, it is not hard to find somebody else who can help you in solving your problems. That's number 3. Ask your fellow programmers or a friend. Number 4, post a question in a forum in the internet. At present time, the most popular programming forums that I've known is Stack Overflow. Before, I have Visual Fox Pro forum, which I post a question, and then members of the forum will give you any idea or sample codes to solve your problem in programming in Visual Fox Pro. In Stack Overflow, you can post questions, and then somebody in the group will give you some insights on how to solve that particular problem in any programming languages from C, C++, Java, Simula, any programming language. They are catered to solve your problem also. That's number 4. And then lastly, hire somebody to solve your programming problems. Maybe some of you will say, that's very ridiculous. I will pay somebody to write me the code or solve the problem for me. But in reality, it is not bad idea. Remember, if you are too busy, if you know somebody who are proficient in computer programming, and then you have the budget, try to hire somebody to finish the job for you. It's not bad as long as you have the resources, because you have to meet some deadlines, and then the client needs to solve that particular problem as soon as possible. Example, Microsoft, Bill Gates hires thousands of programmers. Bill Gates is no longer writing a code. Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook hires thousands of software engineers to work on his company. Larry Ellison of Oracle hires brilliant software engineers to write software for his company. They are paying for the services of their company, for the services of the software engineers or developers that they are hired. As long as you have the budget, you can select brilliant minds to hire to solve with your programming problems. I hope that I was able to impart some advice on how to solve your computer programming problems. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial in discussion, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.